How to construct the solar-powered LED light for daytime circuit. Construction of solar-powered LED light for daytime. Connect one end of resistor 1000 ohms to the LED negative, short terminal. Connect LED positive, long terminal, to the positive terminal of solar plate. Connect other end of resistor 1 kilo ohm to the negative terminal of the solar plate. And our circuit construction is complete. The project is working perfectly. How to make solar-powered LED circuit. For full video, click on link or visit to our channel. We deliver good and productive video. All video available in Hindi, Marathi and English. Welcome to Book of Technical. This video present by Inno91 Green Technologies. Subscribe and get new video. Thank you and visit Book of Technical channel again.